Hi, it's Lynette here. So I've got a slightly croaky throat because I've picked up a cold. I'm just glad it's not COVID because that floored me. Steve's been decorating, so stuff has been everywhere. So this is the first chance I've had to film. I had my bed head behind me for about a week and a half. So I managed to use up all the colours that I selected last month, which is actually quite good going because I got my nails done for my wee brother's wedding. And they put a gel coating on and it lasted for ages. However, my nails are wrecked, so I did try and polish them today, but I kept getting up to do something and smudging them. So once I've finished, I want to take my polish off and just put the CND Rescue on it. So I have been using the Back to Life Nails ink, and there's another Gel Rehab one that I've been using. So that wasn't in my nail polishes to use. Can't think of the words. It's been really hot today. Well, not really hot, but it's been really nice today. So Steve's out painting the fence and I've been kind of pottering around doing bits and pieces, but I thought I'll run up. It's about 5 o'clock now, it's getting a bit cooler, and I thought I'll run up and do some filming, then go back down and then help, and then come up and do some filming. So that's what the glow is. So I'm just going to show you the polishes that I used. I used the Barry M, that's a liquid chrome. That stuff's brilliant because it dries really quickly. I've put a line on because when I used it before there wasn't enough to bother with a line, but I put a line on now. I also used some Nailberry, and this is Love Me Tender. That dries really quickly. It dries quite matte as well. And I used this a couple of times, the Jelly Shine from Barry M. I used it quite a few times. That was one that I bought recently. I've also used, I mean, you can actually see the line there, the In a Flash. What colour is it? It's turquoise thrill, but unless I'm colourblind, that looks blue to me. I used some of this as well, Nailberry. I can't actually see the colour, so I don't know, but I've got a couple of these ones and it's really nice. I also used another Barry M, Quick in a Flash. Quick in a Flash? In a Flash. Quick Dry. So that was the 3 that I brought in last month, and that's called Blue Boost. I think they've mixed up their colours because that's turquoise and that's blue, and that looks more green mint to me. Anyway, they were nice on. Also used this Primark Nailed It. What colour is that? In Love With. That's really nice. I've currently got that on my fingers and on my toes. Never normally happens. They're normally different colours. The Revlon HD, Ultra HD Snap in, what colour is this? Rule the World. That is gorgeous. Really love the colour of that. I used some of this, My Mood by Legit. It's a vegan polish. It's My Mood, the colour's legit. Excuse me, coughing away here. So I've used that quite a lot. It's quite a nice neutral colour as well. This earthy, kind of peachy colour, I've used that quite a lot. Not sure I'm a massive fan of it though. Some colours, I like bright colours, but some of them just don't look right. It's like white nail polish. I can't do that on my nails. Just don't like it. This Nails Ink one, Bobble Bobble Baby, is one of my favourites. It's kind of like a pinky purple. Really nice. I also used some Seche Vite and I finished it. So that's an empty. I also finished the Nails Ink Palace Gardens. So I did well, and the Super Gel by Rimmel, the Punk Rock. So I finished that as well. So that is 3 empties, and I don't feel so bad because I've added 3 polishes in. So that's 3 out. I also tried to use some of the nail hardener for my nails, but I think I'm just gonna put the CND Rescue on. And I actually finished this as well. Use that as a top coat. Sometimes use it as a base coat as well. So yep, we still got another bottle of Seche Vite. I don't always use that because what it can do, if you put too many coats on, it's touch dry quite quickly. But if you forget and you're doing something, so the other day that I put some gloves on, I was doing some gardening and it all wrinkled. So it had to come off. So if you're using the Seche Vite although it's really quick dry, it's just really touch dry and underneath is still wet, so just be careful if you're going to go and do anything. Don't put gloves on like me and go and do some gardening. Anyway, what am I going to pick for next month? So the weather's nice and I'm looking for some nice light colours. So I'm going to go through it and see what I've got. I'll probably put in some of the ones that I had this month. So what do we have here? I got this one from Primark. That's a quick dry and polish. I'm definitely going to put that one in. I've got this one from Nailberry. What's it called? If I could read it. Oh, can't actually read that. But that's a nice colour and it's quick dry as well. I bring out the Sally Hansen, the Eco Rose. I bring out the Chrome because that dries really quickly. What else? What else? Oh, I'm going to bring out Antisocial Climber. I think that's nice and light. Might bring out some of this Casual Dress Up. Yeah, I think that's neat. Oh, no, wait a minute. Because it's kind of going to be really nice weather, I might bring out Looking Super Juicy. And the Leighton Denny. That's Coral Reef. That's gorgeous, isn't it? So I'll bring that out. So the rest of the polishes are quite, you know, got some sparkly ones. Another sparkly one. Anaconda. Got that from Bryony. It's one of my favourites. I'm reluctant to use it because I don't want to run out of it. I've got lots of the Nailberry pink nail polish. The blue and the green, but it's definitely not weather for that. Oh, the Miracle Express Maybelline, I think that is. Maybe it's not Maybelline. I'll bring that one out. Right. So, what colours am I going to keep from the old one? I'm going to definitely pop that one in. I feel like I need to keep this one in. I'm going to pop those 4 in as well. Whether I use them all, I don't know. Especially if I'm trying to give my nails a rest. I don't think I'm going to bring that one in because I don't really like it. Do I declutter it? Oh, I don't know. I'll try it again. So, my goal is that one day I can maybe get all my polishes in here and close the lids. That is the goal. However, I also want to buy some, it's from the brand who did Shellac. Shellac's just a type of varnish, isn't it? But CND Nails, so they do Vinylux, which is a 7-day polish. And I've had a couple of those before and they're lovely. But what I said to myself is I need to clear 3 more polishes if I want to bring in any nail polish. So that is my goal. And I can maybe treat myself at the end of this month to one of the colours. So what they do, it's a Vinylux polish, 7-day polish, but it matches all the colours that they do in the gel. So I'm not a gel person. I love gel. I love that it's hard wearing, but I'm a picker. So it gets bitten and cracked and wrecks my nails because I never get it taken off properly either. Because I always end up hacking at it myself. So the Vinylux is perfect for me. Never found a polish that lasts 7 days, and for me that does not last 7 days. Nothing does. But it's really nice polish. So if I finish up 3 polishes, I can bring 1 in. So that's my goal. And I know I finished up 4 polishes this month, but that doesn't count. So I'm going to show you what I've picked. And is there any prospect of being able to finish 3 this month? I don't think so. Not with what I've picked anyway. So I'll show you what I've picked. So there we go. Excuse me, sorry, I've got a cold. So I'll just go through them one last time. So I've got the Nails Ink. I've never used this before, I don't think. Casual Dress Up. I've got the Chrome from Barry M. I got those from Julie. The Eco Rose I got from Latest in Beauty. The Nailberry. This stuff dries really quickly and really matte. This one's gorgeous. It's one of my favourites. I would be quite reluctant to finish that up. Antisocial Climber. No chance I'm getting my nail polish, is there? The Max Factor it is. I can slightly see it. The Revlon HG stuff, that's gorgeous. The Leighton Denny, just because it's nice and bright. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. They're looking super juicy. The Bauble Bauble Baby. The 3 that I brought in last month. The Primark lilac-y one, just because it's nice weather. So let me know out of those colours if there's any that are your favourites. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.